a more bountiful harvest. Every year after harvest, it's a pruning session. What if your pruning session precedes your harvest that is coming? And because the vision is so big that God has for your life, that He has to prune the unnecessary parts, the dying parts, the parts that will harm your vision, your purpose. So He prunes away the things that are going to take nourishment from the parts of you that will produce fruits, the useless parts, the hindrance. Some places, some things, even the very system in the church. What if it's for God to use that? He's pruning us so we don't depend on the system when we come in, but we use the vessels that are us, ourselves, to give praises to His name. Because we get dependent, whether we're singing or not, nobody knows. Whether we are clapping or not, nobody knows. Because the system is there on. If you realize the few weeks the system has been messing up, for me, I can only speak for myself. For me,